Everyone's got that dark space in their home that they don't know what to do with it. Do you add a lamp, a chair, or some captivating artwork? But wait, what if we were to put a houseplant there? Oh, the transformation it would bring. But you say,
it'll die, there's not enough light.
Today, my friends, we're diving into the world of plants that thrive in dark spaces. Yes, you heard it right. We're shedding some light on the top 5 green heroes that can conquer even the darkest corners of your home. So grab your flashlights and let's illuminate these botanical wonders. First up on our list of dark space champions is a snake plant, or as I like to call it, the MacGyver of the plant world. This superhero can handle anything you throw at it. Low light, neglect, you name it. Its sword-shaped leaves not only bring a touch of elegance to any space, but there's also so many to choose from that you're sure to find one you'll love. Plus, it's practically indestructible. So even if you forget about it for a while, it'll forgive you and keep on thriving.
Hey, I'm sorry.
So here's one tip I want you to remember when you get one. To water it correctly, just give it a soak. A good bottom water will do, and then wait for the soil to dry out 100% before watering again. If you choose a variegated variety, and this goes for all plants, they'll tend to lose the variegation the longer they live in the dark. Now let's unveil the hero that embraces the darkness with style. The one and only ZZ plant. Picture this, a plant with glossy green leaves, so vibrant they seem to emit their own subtle glow. The ZZ plant is like the James Bond of the plant world, effortlessly navigating through a wide range of light conditions, from low to bright indirect light. It can handle it all with finesse. So whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your plant journey, ZZ plants offer a unique combination of beauty and adaptability that not many plants can match. The secret to its success lies in the ability to store water within its thick rhizomes, allowing it to survive droughts with charm and poise. So my friends, water sparingly and let the soil dry out between waterings. Beautiful and easy to care for, what more could you ask for? And now, the pothos, also known as the low light conqueror and the master of climbing. If you're looking to add some drama to your dark spaces, this trailing beauty will take your breath away. Its heart-shaped leaves dangle gracefully, and it can climb walls, shelves, and even into your dreams. Hey, that's creepy. The pothos is a true performer when it comes to surviving in low light. Its ability to photosynthesize efficiently under dim conditions makes it a fantastic addition to any dark corner. Also keep in mind, and this goes for most plants, when placed in the dark, and by dark I mean low light, not no light, they'll grow slower, leggier, if that's a word, the leaves will grow smaller, and as I said before, the variegated varieties will lose variegation over time. But that's a trade-off we get for putting them in a dark spot. Who told you to move into a haunted mansion? Not me. These plants have a craving for moisture, but don't overwater them. Keep their soil slightly moist, but never soggy. Remember, a splash of water when the top inch of soil feels dry will keep your pothos happy and thriving. And here's a little secret. Pothos are excellent to propagate. Snip a vine, place it in water, and witness the miracle of new roots taking hold. Now let's talk about a real showstopper, the peace lily, or as I like to call it, the diva of darkness. With its glossy green leaves, this plant will steal the spotlight in any dark room. One trick with this plant is just make sure to not overwater it. Soggy soil can lead to root rot. And here's another secret, my friends, when it comes to watering. The peace lily has a subtle way of communicating its watering needs. When it starts to droop a little, it's telling you it's thirsty. So water it generously and then allow the top 1 to 2 inches of soil to dry out between waterings. Now watch this divine specimen flourish in your dark sanctuary. And now onto the heartleaf philodendron, a plant ready to sweep you off your feet even in the darkest of spaces. With its lush heart-shaped leaves, this botanical cupid is perfect for creating an intimate atmosphere. When it comes to caring for this hopeful romantic, it isn't just about candlelit dinners and sweet serenades. When it comes to watering, give this green charmer a chance to miss you a bit. Allow it to dry out about 50% before watering and ensure proper drainage to prevent root rot. With these simple guidelines and a sprinkle of your affection, your heartleaf philodendron will blossom and continue to bring joy, beauty, and a touch of romance to even the darkest corners of your home. So let me guess, you know exactly which one you're gonna run to get. Maybe you're gonna get them all, I would. Here's a thought, before you do, watch this video to get some tips on how you're gonna propagate them to give them to your friends and family.